Lost my night, my head's tucked, my nigga. Lost my night, hard times like, yeah. Mad chips like, yeah. Nazareth, I'm for them, homie, you for them. But if God get us, then we gon' be alright. Right, nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Huh? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We can be alright. And when I wake up, I reckon that you looking at me for the pay cut. But I'm a be looking at you from the face down. Won't make a living, even rule with the face down. Scheming, then let me tell you about my life. Painkillers only put me in the twilight. But pretty pussy and Benjamin is the highlight. Then tell my mama I love her, what this what I like. Lord knows, 20 of them in my Chevy. Tell them all to come and get me, reaping everything is so. So my karma come in heaven, open preliminary hearings on my record. I'm a motherfucking gangster, silence for the record. Tell the world I know it's too late. Pausing cause I think I'm gon' great. Time inside my face, this all day. Hard to please for me when I say, when you know me been hurt, been down before. Nigga, when our pride was low, looking at the world like, where do we go? Nigga, and we hate po-po. When they kill us dead in the street, we sure. Nigga, I'm at the preachers, yo. When these getting weak and my gun might blow up, we gon' be alright, alright. Nigga, red ain't be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Huh? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright. What you want? You a house, you a car for the acres and a mule, a piano with guitar, anything. See, my name is Lucy. I'm your dog. What the fuck you can live at the mall? I can see the evil, I can tell it. How long is illegal? I don't think about it. I deposit every year there's zero. Thinking of my partner, put the candy, penny on the Rico. Digging in my pocket, in the profit, big enough to feed you. Every day my life should get another dollar just to keep you in the presence of your Chico. I don't talk about it, be about it. Every day a sequel. If I get it, then you know you got it. Heaven, I can reach you. Pit off, my talk, that's all. Get back in chat, I've shut the back for y'all. I rap, I black on tracks, so rest assured. My rights, my wrongs are right till I'm right with calm. You know, me been hurt, been down before. Nigga, when our pride was low, looking at the world like, where do we go? Nigga, and we hate po-po. When they kill us dead in the street, we sure. Nigga, I'm in the preachers, yo. My knees getting weak and my gun might blow, but we gon' be alright, alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. If you hear me, then you feel me, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we might be alright. We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. They hear me, they feel me, we gon' be alright. I keep my head up, I have brought a smile on me, love me is complicated, too afraid of not judges. I'm alright, you your favorite dark nights in my prayers.